Oh, hell no.
It looks like you lost another one.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be going off-road in a Creekside off-road ranch. So here we go.
1 hour later.
All right, we made it. All right, we're in. It's about $20 per vehicle and then $5 per passenger. So it's a full open park, full by full. Make it out. Woo. All right, if I see anything, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the GoPro back on. Yeah, that'll be good. Get it. I'll probably get over here. That was pretty simple.
Okay.
See what's that over there? Oh yeah, this is all sand. I don't know. Already pretty deep.
Where do y'all want to go? We have
Look at that side over there, bro. That shit looks kind of explore right there, bro. Your car's already dirty.
Yeah, so's mine.
Hey, did you see for a second? Hey, for a second, I thought that was the end of the trail. I'm like, this is it. But then I'm like, oh no, there's more down here.
Let me go get my phone. Oh, that shit was crazy. The first little water puddle.
Hey, bro, imagine bringing the dune buggy, the one you guys had over here. That would have been fun. Hey, but we just gotta be careful with the sand. I think one of the things we might have to do is like air down the tires a little bit, so your tires can be a little bit more.
Soft?
Yeah, I think we should air down the tires just a little bit so we
I
can.
don't air them down until I have to.
Okay.
Because you can't reflate them, you know?
Well, we have a pump. Yeah. There they go over there. There's two people over there. Where do you guys want to go though? This trail, or this?
They're not gonna be able to take us out of this.
Yeah. Bro, it is hot out here. We're in the Sahara Desert. Are you guys getting stuck a little bit or no?
A little bit, you know. Not gonna lie. We got, I mean,
If I'm being honest, bro, I say we go down this way, down that way first, and then we'll come back and we'll try that trail. It's gone.
Oh, come on, man.
Yeah, for real. All right, let's head over there. Fuck it. I'll go first.
I don't want to go last, bro. I can't see.
Bro, me either.
The dust.
All right, here we go. I'm on 4x4 right now. I don't want to keep it on, if I'm being honest. I don't want to.
Good talk.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Still doing good back there. Seriously. There's a little lump over here. Then we'll be able to fit there. Alright, let's just go ahead. Let's see how deep this one is.
You stupid.
Oh, there's a snake right there. Let's see. You're pretty deep.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no.
Oh, hell no.
Let's come here.
Well, we're pretty stuck in the mud over here.
I'm not getting in that water. Me either.
All right, hold up. Yeah. Well, we're still submerged, completely underwater. We're waiting for them to bring someone to get us out. This thing was a little bit too deep than we thought it was, so yeah, just waiting for a little bit.
One eternity later.
Now, he tried pulling me out after like waiting for about an hour. And he got stuck, but then the other guy came. So now, you know, I'm not quite sure how we're gonna try to make it out of this, guys. We're pretty stuck in here. It's not even that high. It didn't make it to the handles or anything. But it's just a sucky situation. Don't ever underestimate the depths of water, because I saw that over there and I thought I had a chance.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Yeah, I don't know how he got that stuck. I don't know how he got that stuck. Not sure. Monday? How did?
Or I can grab this strap right here with my bucket and pull upward.
You can try. So we took her out, and not sure what to do from her now. Least I can do right now. What is up, guys? So, little update. We brought it all the way back home. Doesn't look too good. Car won't turn on. We had my dad's Outlander tow the vehicle completely. So, yeah, that's great. We're here now in AutoZone, trying to get the extension that we need because it's a little bit tricky. In the 2017 Jeep Wranglers, they have them like in a very tight corner, so we need like an angled extension. I'm trying to find it. It's gonna look somewhere here. It's kind of look like this but longer, and that should be able to help. Well, I mean, we could use a short one and then just attach a smaller one. I'll keep you guys updated, but at the moment we're stuck and we don't know exactly how to do to take that starter out. Basically, we went ahead and took it out. Now we're gonna see if it's gonna start up after we clean it up. And I think we need some grease so we can grease some pieces up in there. And I've been working on the interior, kind of coming along pretty clean right now. I'm working on center console at the moment, but we'll get there when we get there. All right, got it all repaired. We're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Make the car turn around so that we can jump the Jeep because the battery's dead. All right, we installed everything back. We reconnected the battery. All right, here we go. Yeah. We just got a check engine light and we could only make it a HEB over here on Fry Road. And for some reason, it like shuts off in the middle of the road if you're not keeping it running. So, pretty much screwed at this point. I'm gonna check the oil and then I'm gonna get back with you guys. Throw the rope. I'm gonna have to like figure out a way.
You're gonna have to get in the water.